Okay, gonna do a quick review on Lot's Marcum ready to serve beef gravy. You can see it's in this can's been opened and used. We use it in recipes. We use it. We heat it up in a pot just put on top of white rice and potatoes, different things. Dishes and stuff like that by itself. It's good product. It's a good little gravy. We do a lot of shopping at Save-A-Lot. We got Save-A-Lot store up near the house. So we do a lot of grocery shopping there. That's definitely a good little product. A good taste to it. Add a little seasoning to it. Salt and pepper and stuff like that. Get 5 servings per container or per can. This is 10 1/4 ounce size. One gram total fat, 25 calories. Calories from fat, 10. Cholesterol less than 5 milligrams. 330 milligrams sodium. 4 grams good total carbohydrates. 1 gram of sugars. 1 gram of protein. That's all-purpose serving. Save-A-Lot's got a 100% guarantee on all the products. If you're not happy with it, you can take it back and get your money back. I've done that once so far. I've been shopping Save-A-Lot for about 14 years. 14 years, I've only taken one product back. And I don't remember what it was I wasn't happy with. The product's the store products is pretty good. This is Save-A-Lot's Marcum ready to serve beef gravy. You can find that over they. Ouch. You can find it over canned goods where they got their soups and stuff in. The soup aisle.